What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. This video about to be nice. I'm currently showing you my new fan that I purchased from Amazon, which I will leave in the description below. This fan I feel like was okay. It wasn't too small. It was nice. It comes with a booklet. It's not that heavy either. I mean, it's heavy, but it's not like too heavy. And then you could take it anywhere with you. It has an on and off button. You can flip it. You got a cord. But the only thing I could say about this fan, you would have to have a box for the wall, because it's not one of them. Okay, the next item, I was really excited to buy this item. I really been wanting Melanie Susie nail drill for a minute. She actually has about a couple, I could say. But this one I wanted to get because I feel like this will be my last drill for a minute. Okay, so this is the drill that I was saying. It's really nice, stretchable. Easy, simple. You do not have to use the foot pedal that comes along with it. This has a clip to it, so you just turn the little knob thing, and then you take the drill bit out or whatever, and then you can lock it back. So it's pretty simple, not too much. And then it comes with the drill holder, which is good, because before I used to have trouble with my drill falling on the floor and stuff. But this one you can adjust it. It has an on and off button. It's really not too hard to work with. Like it's really nice. The foot pedal is an option. You don't have to really use the foot pedal. You get 20% off too on any of the little drill bits, which is good. You want to have enough drill bits, because if not, you be short. And it comes with the charger. Okay, the last item is the best, y'all. Like, I needed a new nail dryer. This nail dryer is my favorite little Sunny nail dryer. I love the brand Sunny. It's really good. Come with an adapter. It comes with four different levels. Yeah, 4 different levels: 10, 20, 30, and 99 seconds. 99 seconds is usually the low heat one, which is good. You can take it places with you. You can take it all. It's not that bad. It's actually bigger than the one I have, the old one I have. This one you can put both of your hands in it. Come with a guide to it, and pretty much that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. You know how to say.